What do we have here, Kellen?
Brownies.
Brownies, yes. Awesome. Nice way to top off a Domino's pizza and a Portillo's roast beef sandwich for lunch, right? Eating pretty good today, huh?
Best food.
Yay. I have to admit, we did have some good food today. Very good food. I'm glad Kellen came over to share. And we're having a good evening here on this June, what's today? June what? June 25th, I guess. Alright, we're going to sign off now. Say bye, Kellen.